unordered and definition list. We have already done ordered and unordered in the last lecture. So any doubt in that? Ordered and unordered list is clear, बच्चे? Okay. So next today we are going to do definition list. Definition list is having two tags. I already told you, that is definition term and definition description. Definition term and definition description. Right? This list is used to describe a particular term. जब आपने किसी टर्म की डेफिनेशन देनी है, टर्म को डिफाइन करना है, तो वी आर यूजिंग अ डेफिनेशन लिस्ट. So tags I already told you, that is definition term and definition description. But the tag for creating the definition list is DL tag, that is definition. Clear? यहाँ तक clear है सबको? So let's make a web page now. For example, if there is a term, for example, FTP, TP, then file transfer is used to transfer file. Next, I'm writing email. Electronic mail. Now, how we are going to achieve this thing? With the help of DL. Definition list starts, then definition term. Now term here is FTP and definition description is this line. आपने यहाँ पे पूरी टर्म को डिफाइन कर दे. After that, again definition term. Now the term is email, and then description, and at last DL is closed. Clear, बच्चे? How to make a definition list? You can make definition description and term as container also, or it can be treated as empty also. Both way it is correct. Definition list start with the DL tag, definition term, definition description, then definition term, definition description. You can close them also, or you can make it as a empty. Both way the answer will be same, but DL is necessary to close. ठीक है, DL को आपने क्लोज करना है. Now बच्चे one thing, आप इसका आउटपुट देखो कैसे आ रहा है. Here is it in a term. In the next line the description is coming. यहाँ पे term आ रही है, next line में उसकी description आ रही है level के साथ. If you want, your output should be in the same line. Term और description दोनों ही same line में आए, like this. इसके सामने ही आए इन पे. और ये भी जो कंटेंट है ऐसे एक लाइन में इकट्ठा ही आए, इन द सेम लाइन. Then for that, what you can do is you can use compact attribute inside the DL tag, like this. DL compact. DL compact. So compact is the attribute which will help to appear the output like this. It will show the output like this. Clear है बच्चे? Definition list, compact, term description, number of terms depends कि आपको वेब पेज कौन सा मिला हुआ है. Any doubt in the definition list now? It's given in your book. The compact attribute can be used in case your definition term and description should be in the same line. When the term and description should be in the same line. Now the next is nested list. Nested list means one list within another list. A list within another list is called nested list. A list within another list is called nested list. Now let's look for the example. Write this. And then now you can easily see this is one list, this is second list, this is third list. You can easily see three types of lists are there, means one list is inside the another list. So that is called the nested list. Now when you have to do the coding for the nested list, always firstly see कि पहली लिस्ट कौन सी है. आपको पहली लिस्ट अब कहाँ से मिल रही है, कौन सी मिल रही है? कौन से टाइप की लिस्ट है ये? Few Indian states. Which type of list it is? Yes, it is unordered. क्योंकि कोई sequence नहीं है, bullets are there. That's why unordered list, that is UL. तो सबसे पहली लिस्ट आपकी कौन सी स्टार्ट हो रही है? UL. Now UL type equal to disk. So it's by default the value is disk, so need not to apply the type attribute here. तो इसीलिए मैंने यहाँ पे अब टाइप एट्रीब्यूट नहीं दिया क्योंकि डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू ही हमारी डिस्क की आ रही है. क्लियर? आफ्टर दैट फर्स्ट LI. यहाँ पे आपके LI का कंटेंट कौन सा है? फ्यू इंडियन स्टेट. ये पहला LI है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट लिस्ट आइटम. Now you will not close this list because इसके अंदर ही एक अलग से लिस्ट आ रही है. ये वाली लिस्ट इस लिस्ट का पार्ट है तभी नेस्टेड है. तो आप मेन लिस्ट को आउटर लिस्ट को बंद नहीं करोगे. क्लियर? नाउ जस्ट लुक, इसके अंदर एक अलग से लिस्ट आ रही है, दैट इज ऑल्सो द अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट. तो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर UL. नाउ यू कैन सी दिस इज अ सर्कल. So we need to specify the type attribute now. हमें type attribute specify करना पड़ेगा. So UL type equal to circle. अब सर्कल के अंदर देखो, इस लिस्ट के अंदर 3 लिस्ट आइटम्स बन रही हैं आपके पास. 3 लिस्ट आइटम्स विद द नेम झारखंड, उत्तरांचल, छत्तीसगढ़. So this was the inner list. तो इस लिस्ट को यहाँ पे हम बंद कर देंगे क्योंकि इसका आगे कोई रोल नहीं है. As this is the nested list. So according to the leveling here, I am closing the UL tag. After the UL tag, बच्चे look carefully again 2 other states. That means इसी वाली की लिस्ट आइटम आगे कंटिन्यू हो रही है. यही वाली मेन लिस्ट. This is being continued. So that's why again LI 2 other states after this again a new list is being opened here, but this is the ordered list now, and ordered list is created with the help of which tag? That is OL tag. OL type कौन सी आ रही है? By default value तो 1 होती है, but we are having A here. That's why we need to specify the type attribute OL type equal to A. Need not to give start value क्योंकि by default ही 1 से start हो रहा है. Now under this list 2 list items are there. West Bengal, Karnataka, and then OL tag is closed. After OL, तो ये आपकी second inner list complete हुई है. But we have started with the UL tag here. So now this UL is need to be closed at the last. So this is the nested list. You can note it down now. Once again, look here. We started with the unordered list. First LI, few Indian states. First LI के अंदर ही we got the new list, that is the unordered list. UL type equal to circle with the 3 list items, and then UL close. After that, we found another list item of the previous list, first list, LI, 2 other states. Under this, we got a new list, OL type equal to A, then list items, West Bengal and Karnataka, OL list close here, but we have started from the UL. So finally, this outer list will be closed now. So UL tag closed. But on the first day, I told you HTML is case, not case sensitive. So you can write capital or small, hardly any difference, but you will get the same exact output. And nobody is turning the cameras on. मुझे क्या पता चलेगा आप नोट कर रहे हो नहीं कर रहे हो. So on your cameras, everyone. Harshita, Mansha. Nested list का concept बच्चे clear है? Any doubt in this to anyone? Clear? हर्षित नहीं clear हुआ? Okay. Okay, let's do some practice questions now. OL type equal to A, start equal to D. What is incorrect in this statement? OL type equal to A, start equal to D. क्या wrong है? Who will tell me the answer? Shantanu, will you?
Yes, ma'am. Start is equal to D. Wrong.
Start equal to?
D is wrong.
But what will be the correct value here? ये चीज correct है. Start में क्या आएगा?
Ma'am, 4.
So D is having the value 4. So that means start will have the value 4. Clear? Next is UL type equal to A, start equal to 4. हाँ जी अमृत.
UL की जगह OL आना.
Yes, this is type and start attribute belongs to OL tag. So here it will be OL. Next is body background equal to red. Jasleen.
मैम इसमें बैकग्राउंड की जगह बीजी कलर आएगा.
Yes, so there it will be a BG color because you are specifying the background color. With the help of background attribute, we can specify the image, not the background color. Font type equal to Arial. Next is font type equal to Arial. Font type equal to Arial. Yes, Dhruv Mehta. Dhruv, you don't know the answer, बच्चे? Chahat. Okay, so got the answer. Yes, it is not a type attribute. It's a face. Font face equal to Arial. Clear? So let's do one more example of nested list. It's on page number 31 in your book. Either you can do it practically or on the paper. Those who are not having book can note it down from the board. Write it. Next is MS Office.
मैम पेज नंबर कौन सा बताया?
पेज 130. and this is continue. Do coding for the same list. Start doing the coding. You have to start from the operating system. This is one list, this is second list, third list, fourth list, and the outer one is the main list, that is the fifth list. Do the coding. Now I am making the changes in the same document. So let it be, the title is HTML list, and inside the body tag, the same things you can given, and under the H1 tag, let it be practice, then U tag close, H1 close. Now, when we have to make a list, you can easily see the first is operating system. Yes, Jasleen, do you have any doubts? You are raising your hand now. Jasleen. Yes, Shivansh.
सॉरी मैम वो पहले से ही था.
Okay. So when we have to do the list coding, you can now see in the question, the first one is operating system, and that is a type of ordered list. And for creating the ordered list, the tag is OL. Type equal to 1, so that is the by default type. So I'm not specifying the type attribute here. OL. Under the OL, the list item is operating system. Operating system. Clear? Now under LI you can see a new list is open, that is the unordered list where type equal to circle. UL type equal to circle. यहाँ तक सबको clear है? Under the circle, again a new list item, that is DOS. Then second list item, Unix. Then the next third one is Linux. After that, here the UL tag will be closed. हमारी अंदर वाली first list बनी है, the nested list. Now continuing the main outer list. तो पहली बाहर वाली list हमने start करी हुई थी, उसी की second LI, that is MS Office. Clear? Under MS Office, again a new list is there, that is the unordered list with the type care. UL type equal to care. अब इसके अंदर आपके पास दो LIs create हो रही हैं. Two list items are there. That is MS Word and MS Excel. After this, again, the second inner list, that is UL, will be closed. So Shivansh has done, I think he has done practically also. Third inner list, continuing from the one, list items open office.org. Under this list item, again, the order list. Okay, Shantanu has also done order list with the type small Roman, small I, like this. Then you have to specify the list items in the OL tab. 3 list items are there. First is writer, Kelsey, and base. Then after this, again you have to close the OL tab. No BR in the list. कहीं पे भी आपने list करते हुए BR नहीं लगाना. Automatically it will break the line. The last LI, that is accessories. Under accessories, a new UL list is there with the type disk. So I'm not specifying here the type attribute, as the disk is the default one. Then LI, second LI, and the third one. Right? So here goes the closing of UL tag. And now बच्चे you can see यहाँ से मैं OL से start किया था. So finally I'm going to end the OL tab now. This OL tab after the closing of UL tab. To see, so you can see the output. OL के अंदर first LI, then first nested list with the UL, again first list की जो second LI, second nested list, third LI of the main list, third nested list, fourth list item of the first main list, and then the next nested list. Now let's save it. To save as, I'm going to save it with the name list.html. All files, save. Now, let's look the output in the web browser. We got the nested list. The correct output is here. Now, any doubt, बच्चे, how to make the nested list, how to close the tag, nested list में levels कैसे रखने हैं? Any doubt to anyone? Is it clear? Output and coding both are clear. Anyone? कोई भी tag में problem है, कुछ नहीं clear हुआ? So you can see the coding also. If you want to note down, you can. Clear, बच्चे? Those who have not done practically after the period, give a practical practice also. एक बार इसका practical करके भी देखो and see कि whether you are achieving the same output or not. That's all for the day. So today we have completed the HTML1. That is all the tags that are covering in the HTML1 and all the types of lists. The types of lists, mainly 3 types are only there. Ordered, unordered, and definition. Nested list को आप types of list का part नहीं बनाओगे. Because nested list means one list is having the another list. Any kind of list can have any second other kind of list in it. So that is not a type. Okay. So we will continue the other tags in the next lecture now.